God, we're going to be rich! Mom! Mom! I will, Mom!
Okay, now we are here at Bitcoin 1 hour chart. And now we are going to try to trade the indicator they call Gains Algo V2 Alpha. Gains Algo V2 Alpha. Okay. Gains Algo V2. Okay, here it is. Just add it. And let's wait to Gains Algo V2 Alpha to give us any signals, at least sell or a buy. Okay, now Gains Algo V2 Alpha told us to buy, and let's do put at least 30 bucks here. I know 35. Okay, and after that we're going to wait